Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Amazon Basics laptop vertical holder stand. So this is a heavy duty laptop holder guys, and for short desktop setups or wherever you don't use your laptop much, you just plug your Type-C cable into that and you use a monitor, keyboard, mouse setup. This is the best space saving idea. So in this laptop holder you can actually put two laptops, or a laptop and an iPad or a tablet as per your usage. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright guys, so here is the Amazon Basics vertical laptop holder stand. This is just a stand, but it is very heavy duty, heavy material stand. The weight of the stand is very high, and this is a vertical laptop holder guys. So basically some people like me, I have a small desk, so and I generally connect my laptop to the external monitor via Type-C cable, and then I just keep the laptop aside, but I have to keep it flat on the table, so that takes a lot of space. And I have a Dell laptop. Let me show it to you in a minute. So this is the laptop which I have. It's sleek, and this is a 17-inch laptop, so it takes a lot of space. Basically it has very thin bezels luckily, but it takes a lot of space on the desk. So for this matter I ordered, and this is guys, definitely laptops are heavy. This is approximately 2 kg, around 2.2 kg. So the stands, general stands which are horizontal stands, they need not to be that of heavy duty because they just lie like the laptop lies, right? But this is a vertical laptop holder, so this needs to be a good product, a heavy duty product, and hence I ordered this. This is a vertical laptop holder from Amazon Basics brand. And let's see what else is written on the box. This is a dual slot holder, gray basically, so we can put two laptops in this. This is a dual slot. You also get a single slot holder, and is there a price? This is 25,999, but I literally got it for half 50% price, that is 1299. So let's open this and see. Sorry guys, I had to step out. There was someone at the door who was ringing the bell. So let's open this quickly. The box is also very good. Is there anything else in the box? No. Box is of good quality. And this is the laptop holder. And what is this? This is, I think, okay, it's an Allen key to fix the holder. Yeah, I can fix the holder somewhere if I need to, and for tightening, loosening, I can do that. So I can loose these and then I can adjust the thickness here. And if you see, this is a very soft material here on the sides, and this is pure metal, and it's very heavy, and two laptops can sit on this easily. So let's try if the default settings will fit my laptop. So if you see, my laptop has exhaust here at the bottom, so I can put it, I have two places how I can put it, like this. Is it fitting? No, it's not fitting. So like this you have to fit, but it's not fitting, so I'll loosen the screws and makes according space and then fit it. And here you can put some other stuff like your phone maybe or anything else. But yeah, there are rubber pads here so that it doesn't slip off as well. So that's it for this video guys. This is the Amazon Basics laptop holder, and it is very durable, very heavy duty and durable. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in next video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back in next video. Stay tuned. Take care guys.